ni sika e ma wo ma we no nyasem keto enkofo ye yin pro no wo dey say one district one factory me bo eye brekum de brekum for ye no nye ye de district na ko ti asema me kan me ye brekum ni batment ho ti asema me kan etimi benefit district no wo ye actor obi ye makeup obi abetre kumase a sa no obi susu free boase district na ko enti wo de ye ni ankase ne ye free ye district ne ye so be ye district ba ko obi fi Accra anu nye fina wo kotamale se wo kotwa tini o anu de wo ho but ye one village si ye abani hwe ba bi ye wo a hwe na wo ko obi fie se wo kotwa tini abla amabo ne ye kura so ye ho ahomete hwe nipa 40 sa nipa 40 ya ba ofi se bi o ye betimi afra so wo toilet ya ma wa be pa ba but crap se bi obi kotin te so ko frashe enti se nipa no ba ho ne ba ko mienu what did the whole day ni TV crowd person hwe kra no ontimi nya den nipa ntimi hye ne bedroom sa wo ha ne asabom papa ade adedi yesro ye benya bedroom sa de twasin ba bia wo gina ho me ne asabom se e ko papa de me ka otimi enti eba se do de bia wo pe ba bia ye movie na wo bre unyo obi fie but ye we villager
ben so nka village ni wo ho a
wo ho a on say abrofo movie amoye amoye hwe wo de kunkumba ge ye se ye hwe ano o mo se kunkumba ge ne se ye movie anya no kra no ti asema making omuko ofio omo aburu 3 years efie na abiti mu no omuko mo aburu 3 years ye ni ehwe no ye de 3 years na hwe but before we show movie 1 eye part 1 na we de 1 hour pe hwe no ye de bu o na wo twe ba ko na ye de wo hwe part 1 hour pe no wo de na wo twe ba ko na ye ti o na wo bi wo hwe ne 3 years a how many years no mo de twa movie no omo so kra de na tese ye de no omo de no chroma mo na ye chroma ni ade etuma ka to se
ente say ye ARPA yes for blue script
daddy o enti no mo ka to se ya 3 years de omo timi be 7 years and e twa sa series na one de no fie be mo 7 years o be de waye o timi enti abrofo ni bebre ho ma o je hwe omo yente se o de mem kan say yes factory de yente se asore da o de mem sa example no but you say omo kreti chroma wo ba bi ya ye ba bit setup et said ye wo studio to set TV station ah we ba sports wo ha we ba ye se wa sa no ma decorate wo mu anti ye wi pa ye timi tutu ni nyina afro mu ne ya sase ye different setup we ye wo fie ne ya say we the same time na ye kan omo ho sa more than be ye ya de kase we sutu say adwuma ne kwa na ye dey ade tie na dis omo timi bubo nu ya keke e de ye fie kreti ye wi na ye bu ni nyina ye dey egu ne ye secretary foforo why omo ye movie the White House obedi akonya America White House so de ko ye movie bo mo create omo parliament omo create omo bibia o hen ba eduma na fofo e choka kra no kono drink kakra Ghana ye utimi nya wa bre ni ye ti wakoma because ye pentem e fi omo sika na ye di ye aduma no de tenesi obi akodi producer akodi sika bese bia mfa se 500 million ye just start ye na pre adna start ready woni income bia because bi sia na wakodi adana okoji no dika koji ansa na watwe mienu ansa na okosta stadium no enti nkama bedika nti okudu location so a eye mirika utimi nyi wa home babro ni twesini na wadwenu mkura ya hia utimi ka chanza data unye okay mika se omo wo ka bi wo ma utimi koji mu drink out pane e wo full flash mu dada wa koji ma wayi oh da ye hoze
mesan ba na minim meba bebusa o entawantawa bi wo industry no wana ha industry na because as on sem keken ya okay na edu baby a akasa it seems like as a bibi she baby as o how bi ebinum minim etieti ebinum na ase ebinum wo bi ase bi it seems like them say odonu said any hosa meba
Evans yes on what Kweku Menu said nka we fanto so hwe adwuma bia meka say when say adwuma no ebekọ so a enkoso ni na egia management so onim say in movie industry Hollywood are okay go ko setia there are people we call them location managers omo so mo de say omo adwuma omo ya they got clouds ayi ni mo omo so mo mu de omo so me star so
aye frɛ wo
say papa bi say me pe location I have to call Amanda, I have to call Swagat. Intino seta mra bedi bibia na mo pesa mo ye nyina wo hono nia no it is put on paper. Near presenting their money pan then you pay there's a bill for it. you pay for it. Into whatever that you go in there, be a best say no. There's a portion there. Obey to me a family kita for some money na. Tio. But this is the case and that same director now and says swagger to call location, copy location man now. Following the no sister your two and chain and the copy location.
Actually,
the next day we Brian at two and ten copy location and name keeps changing every now and then. And you see, we also live in an environment at home. People's rights are not that much protected. Or before say I be better man for me feel baby some dynamic of so say I conform back. But if I'm dealing with an organization, a body I mean name is almost there into your first location management they come consulting me, put documentations that be behind me, so know everything is genuine now. I'll sign whatever money is due me, I will be paid. A bit CFA, I will broach for distance, purposely for distance. But the question again is that say Kweku ehun say ye ko ofie director no so no o twa movie no onim say ye ba obi fie a ye to me flash it water closet to the extent say obi wi on nipa no on do couple so this couple na wa boka so can't they also organize no listen David can they also organize this mobile ones if you own almost so much to organize this mobile ones because if you want more come so go so guma on because say oh do fear ma for certain let's talk who be but that does also should not also stop there if you run off more for certain because almost no number boy man that you there ebe grow
now say
what you say
abanga ye what say na working ye location managers bia me kai ando ana senya ando so you be a na ayo madwuma no before no ba ko gi selfie no ma bi ko no star but no before no location ha so no ko gi fia eni pa mo be wura ho ye the all scene that's it cameraman director who need scene what you see you don't penetrate who be who be but who abonten woni ko onim na adwuma on person adwuma bobo ntin on say the na adwuma fa but obi e woni adwuma na Mrs. Yes Mrs. Sifie na Mrs. Danfo bi fie wo ha later mo me enko ampa ne atwene de akọ no wonim nimdie bia back adwuma na ayeye no location sem wonim but omo nim adwuma pass location manager ne de won fa won kofie bim oh ye nim directors ni producers be bra ye kofie bim a wo ye